welcome back. We got some more DSR Farms stuff, sausage we're going to cook up. Okay, we'll open that. And we're going to do some turnip green soup today. And it's just called turnip green soup. I don't even know if that's really what it's called, but I'm actually using some canola greens. But you can use any kind of greens, mustard or collard greens or turnip greens or whatever. Anyway, we got some chorizo, which again, you could use any of those natural taste sausages from DSR Farms. And we're just gonna throw all this in the crock pot and get to it. Alright, so I've got half of a bag of dried beans, which I think was 32 ounces. So I've just covered them in water for about, well, while I was slicing up the sausage, and then just drained it back off. Dump those in.
Hey, you said I could.
Oh, well, you can dump the canola in. How about that?
I was helping you.
And then, like I said, those canola greens, they're just like turnip greens. I think they're actually related to the kale family or mustard. Anyway, to me, they're a little bit less bitter than turnip greens, but again, whatever you want to use, you can. And then I've just sliced up that chorizo about a 1/4 inch thick. And we're just gonna dump all this in.
I'm done with these.
Thank you. And on the greens, this is about what I would call half of a mess of greens. Like if I was just gonna cook turnip greens, I would probably want twice as much because they cook way down. But since we're going for like a soup with this, you know, we're doing about half of that. Easy, 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 easy. No, you want to dump this in? Okay. Okay, you got it? Okay. Okay. Alright, so I got everything in there, and I'm going to cook this while I'm at work tomorrow. So we're going to stick it in the fridge just like that, and then I'll put it on before I go to work. If you didn't want this to cook all day, for whatever reason you needed it like, you know, cooked faster, you could fry the sausage in a skillet. You could use canned beans and canned green beans. I'm sorry, canned turnip greens, and then chicken broth, and just bring everything up to temperature. And you could really have this ready in probably 40 or 45 minutes, you know. It wouldn't take too long. But I'm just gonna let this cook on low all day while I'm at work, and then have it tomorrow.
Let me know in the comments if you want my dad's video. For me, subscribe to my dad's video. Make sure you find my video on Waffle Wednesday.
Alright, so that cooked for 10 hours, and I was actually worried that I was going to overcook it, even though it's in a crock pot, which I feel like is paradoxical. I don't think you can overcook stuff in a crock pot. But anyway, came home, stirred it up, and it was like just some great looking soup. Smells fantastic. That chorizo really comes through. And then this is actually the only way my wife will eat turnip greens or any kind of greens and stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. I've tasted it already. It tastes great. And that's really all there is to it. Super easy. Just you know, sausage and beans, chicken broth, and some greens, and just let it go.